Hello friends, welcome to this promotional video on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna run two events, first on 19th August and second on 26th of August. In both the event, you will interact with me live, and on 19th August, we will look into Gradio framework. So recently on my YouTube channel, I have been showing work that uses this Gradio framework. This Gradio framework is a way to demo your machine learning projects and share it with users. So on 19th August, we will understand the Gradio framework, build a web UI using Python and Gradio, and finally we will implement our learning by building a text classification web UI interface. And on 26th of August, we will first look how to use OpenAI APIs, and then we will build a web interface using Python and Gradio, and then connect these learning into building a chatbot, and we will see how to use a streaming option on the chatbot as well. So I'll be waiting for you. Both these events are free and these events are online, so you can connect from anywhere. See you on the events day. Thank you for watching. Peace.